Hi, let's do the last program of file structures lab. This is linked list program and we have to reclaim free spaces using linked list. This is a simple program. I won't take much time for explaining this. We have already implemented linked list earlier, but let's see what output we require in this case. I'll say execute insert delete display exit. We have to insert student data. I'll say insert USN name marks, done, and I have to display data. Similarly, I can delete any data, and that's all what we want. Insert, delete and display we need to implement using linked list. I will say exit. You already know how to implement a linked list of integers, but in this case we are implementing a linked list of student objects. We have a node here which has these fields USN, name, marks and a link to the next node. I am keeping the list class and the node class separate to avoid any confusion, and I am making the list class as a friend of node class. This means the list class can access the data, the private data of the node class. In the constructor for node class, I am initializing link to null, and in the constructor of list class, I am initializing the first pointer to null. In the list class, I also have insert, delete, display and write to file functions. The only new thing what we have in this program is we have to call write to file function after every call to insert function. That means after inserting a single data, we have to call write to file function which writes the data in the linked list to the file. As you might guess, this is not a better idea, because suppose if we have 500 records in the file and we are inserting one record, then we have to rewrite all those 500 records plus we have to write that one extra record. But all we need is output. You know how to insert a node into the linked list. This is the code for inserting a node into the linked list at the rear end. Similarly, this is the code for deletion of an element from the linked list. I won't be explaining these functions. We also have the display function, and the only new thing is write to file function, which we are calling after every insertion. In this function, we are opening the file record.txt in output mode, and we write the linked list into the file. This is quite similar to the display function, except for this line in which we are using fout instead of cout, where fout is a file descriptor pointing to the file record.txt. In the main program, after calling insert, we are calling this function write to file, and that's it. In this way we finished the last program of our lab. I wish you all the very best for your lab exams, and thanks for watching my tutorials.
Oh,